Ever pondered over the process of applying for Canadian citizenship? Well, today, we delve into the nitty-gritty of filling out the CIT 0002E form, a crucial step in your journey to becoming a Canadian citizen. Step 1. Begin by downloading the CIT 0002E form from the official Government of Canada website. Ensure you have the most recent version of the form to avoid any complications. Step 2. Start filling in your personal details. This includes your full legal name, date of birth, and gender. Remember, the information you provide here should match the details on your immigration documents. Step 3. Next, you'll need to provide your contact information. This encompasses your home address, phone number, and email address. Make sure this information is accurate and up to date, as this is how the Canadian government will communicate with you regarding your application. Step 4. Now it's time to detail your immigration history. Document your past and present citizenship status, including when you became a permanent resident of Canada. Step 5. You'll then need to disclose your residential history for the past 5 years. This means you'll need to jot down every address you've lived at during this period, along with the exact dates of residence. Step 6. The form also requires information about your employment and educational history within the past 5 years. Be thorough and precise, including all relevant details and dates. Step 7. The next step involves listing all your trips outside Canada since becoming a permanent resident. Include the countries visited, reasons for travel, and the duration of each trip. Step 8. You will then need to answer a series of questions about your background. These questions cover a range of topics, from your criminal history to your past military service. It's crucial to answer these questions honestly and accurately. Step 9. Finally, review your application thoroughly. Check for any errors or omissions. Once you're confident everything is in order, sign and date the form. Step 10. Submit your application along with the necessary documents and fees. Keep a copy of your application for your records. To summarize, applying for Canadian citizenship involves a detailed process of filling out the CIT 0002E form. You'll need to provide personal and contact information, document your immigration, residential, employment, and educational history, disclose any trips outside Canada, and answer background questions. After reviewing your application for accuracy, you'll sign, date, and submit the form along with the necessary documents and fees. Remember, accuracy and honesty are of utmost importance when filling out this form. Any discrepancies or false information can lead to your application being denied. So take your time, be thorough, and soon you might just be on your way to becoming a Canadian citizen.